Hey, making an update on the ram clunking noise. On my previous video, I explained how these sway bar end links tend to wear out pretty fast, and these are the ones that I replaced on my last video, and they started to give out again, so I removed them, and I'm currently riding with no sway bars. Pretty smooth, no problems, but I found a new solution, and that solution is Suspension Max sway bar links for the 5th gen Rams. As you can see, my old video, those were the stock ones. These are the ones that I replaced, and look how easily that moves. And these are the new ones that I purchased. Made by Suspension Max. As you can see, heavy duty. But these are made specifically for, I think, 2 to 4 inch lifted trucks, which these are technically just 3/4 of an inch longer than the stock ones. I'll show you here. So that's the stock one. And this is the one that I'm gonna be replacing it with. Heavy duty. Current sway bar. All I did was, I don't know if you can see, but you see I just put some zip ties there. I put some steel wire so it doesn't move back and forth. But over the weekend I will be replacing them with these new ones that I have. And it's perfect for my truck because I did a 2-inch leveling kit on it. And right now I got my winter set of wheels on there. These came off of 2020 Laramie that I purchased used, the Wild Peaks. And those are my stock wheels up there. Should be putting those on now that the snow is done with here in Chicago. But like I said, we're gonna give those a try. I'll upload a new video to see the difference, to update you guys on the ride quality. But I think they would work on a stock vehicle too. Stock ride height. It'll probably just make the sway bar, the stabilizer bar, a little stiffer, which in my thought process, that would be a little better. It would handle better. You know, you're making fast turns, or you know, at a high rate of speed, you're getting off a ramp on the highway, or it doesn't sway as much. But I'll give these a try, and I'll update you guys on see how they do.